हाय बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। टुडेस विल बी डू द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ 1.3 चैप्टर 1 नंबर सिस्टम। लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज सेइंग दैट which type of decimal expression it is, like 36 by 100. In previous video I explained each and everything. So see, 36 by 100 we can write it 0.36. We know that its remainder is 0, so it is terminating. Next we can take other example, like question number second, 1 by 11. So it's asking that which type of decimal expression is. So first we will divide 1 by 11. So it is point, we can write here 0. Again it is less than 11, so we can write here 0, and 1 0 will be right here. 11 9s 99, it means 1. So it is less, so we can write here 1 0 and 1 0. Again it is less than 11, so we can write 1 0 more, and 11 9s 99. So we see here it's repeating 0.0909. It's repeating and remainder always become 1. So we can write it 0.0909. The two digit 09 and 09 are repeating, so we can write it 0.09 bar, because two digit is repeating, so it can be write the bar of above two digit, because two digit is repeating. So we can say it is not terminating and but repeating. Clear? It's not terminating but repeating. Next, question number second. In question number second, it's saying that the value of 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, and it's asking that the value of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and so on. It means the value of 1 by 7 is given this, and you have to find the value of 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. So value of 2 by 7, and it's saying that using this you have to find the value of 2 by 7. So we can write 2 by 7, 2 into 1 by 7, and the value of 1 by 7 is given 0.142857. It means it's 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It's your answer. Is it clear or not? Using this you have to find the value of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and so on. So suppose you have to find the value of 3 by 7. So the value of 3 by 7 is equal to 3 into 1 by 7, and the value of 1 by 7 is given 0.142857. 3 into 0.142857. So It's 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 6 digit we can write the point. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can write the point here. It's so answer. Similarly, you can find the value of 4 by 7 and so on. Can you do? Next question. Question number 3. We have to find the following decimal number in the form of P by Q. Like 0.6. 0.6 you have to find in the form of P by Q. It means decimal number. So we know that it is a 0.6 and it is a bar. Here we see one digit is repeating. So we can write it 0.66 and so on. It is and so on. It means the 6th digit is repeating. Clear? So first let x is equal to 0.66 and so on. When one digit is repeating, so in both sides will be multiplied by 10. If two digit is repeating, so will be multiplied in both sides by 100. If three digit is repeating, so we have to multiply by 1000 in both sides. So we see here it is one digit is repeating. 6666. So in equation first, multiply by 10 in equation first. So what will be? When will be multiplied by 10 in equation first? 10x is equal to 0.66 into 10. It means point will be going right side. After one digit we can write here 6.6. It is 10x. It is the equation of second. So 10x is equal to 6.6 and it is x is equal to 0.66. After doing this, you have to subtract equation first from second. Now subtracting equation first from second. So equation, it is equation second and it is equation first. 10x minus x is equal to 6.6 minus 0.66. Always remember, after point all digit will be removed. It means here will be 6 left and it is 9x. 10x minus 1x, it means 9x. So x is equal to 6 by 9. It means 2 by 3. It's your answer. Clear? Next. Second question you have to do. Suppose you have to find 0.007 in the form of P by Q. Question number second. 0.007 is solved. Here we see after 3 digit 1 2 3 it's repeating. So we can write it 0.007. Now let x is equal to 0.007007. We see here 3 digit is repeating. So in this equation we have to multiply by 1000 in both sides. Multiply by 1000 in both sides. It will be 1000x is equal to, when 1000 will be multiplied by x, so it will be 1000x, and it will be 0.007007 into 1000. So 1000x is equal to, here point will be go in right side after 3 digits, so it will be 7.007. It is an equation second. Clear? Now subtracting equation 1 from second. It means this equation will be subtracted from first equation. So 1000x minus x is equal to, it was repeating, 7.007 minus 0.007007. Always remember, after point all digit will be removed. It means 007, 0.007, it will all be removed. It means which is left, 7 is left here, it means 7, and here is 999 x. So x is equal to 7 upon 999. It's your answer. Here, see one times again. It was 0.007, so we can write 0.007 because it's repeating. Let x is equal to 0.007. So we see here 3 digit is repeating. So we have to multiply by 1000 in both sides. When will we multiply? It will be 1000x and it will be 7.007. So equation first will be subtracted from equation first. So 7 will be left here. So x is equal to 7 upon 999. It's your answer. Now see next question. Question number 4. Express point 99999 in the form of P by Q. Clear? You have to convert in the form of P by Q. We know that it's repeating 0.99999. So we can write it x is equal to 0.99999. We know that it is a not terminating but repeating. Clear? So we have to multiply this equation. Here one digit is repeating. Always remember, it is 0.99999. It means 9 is repeating. 9 is one digit. So in this equation we have to multiply by 10 in both sides. Multiplying by 10 in both sides. When it is multiplied by 10, it will be 10x is equal to, when it is multiplied by 10, it will be 10. So it will be 9.9999. It is 10x. It is equation second. After doing this, always remember equation first will be subtracted from equation second. Now equation first will subtract from second we get, it means 10x minus x. 10x minus x is equal to 9.9999 minus, it is, equation first is 0.99999. Always remember, after point all digit will be removed. After point it will be, it means here left digit is 9 and here will be, it is 9. So 9x is equal to 9. So x will be 9 by 9. It means 1. It's 1, sir. Clear? Next. Question number 5 you have to do. Question number 5, 1 by 17 you have to do. In this question you have to divide and check it which type of decimal expression is and how many digit it takes to repeat. Clear? You have to solve. Question number 7. Now see question number 7. Write 3 numbers which decimal expression are non-terminating, non-recursive. It means it's saying that 3 number which decimal expression is non-terminating and not repeating. It means it is an irrational number. Already I told you in irrational number it's non-terminating and not repeating. Clear? Or not recursive. So we can write question number 7. First number 1 point, you can take any number, 1.12, 1 double 2, 1 triple 2 and so on. We see here it is non-terminating and not repeating. After point it is 1, it is 2. Next it is 1 and it is double 2. It is 1, it is triple 2. Listen, rational number, in rational number a digit will repeat after an interval of time. Suppose we can say that 3.142. It may be a rational number when 3 digit will repeat. It means 142. 142. It means this digit is repeating. But in this irrational number it's not repeating. 1 repeat here, 1 repeat here, but it is 2, it is double 2, it is triple 2. So it is non-terminating, not recursive. It is first example. Clear? Now second example, 4 point, any number you can take, 3, 4, double 3, 4, triple 3, 4 and so on. Don't write it. And now third, 5.727 double 2, 7 triple 2. It is the example of non-terminating, not repeating. Clear? Next question. Find the 3 different rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Okay. Find 3 different rational numbers. We know that 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. ठीक, इसके बीच में इरेशनल नंबर निकालना है. यहाँ पे लिख लो फाइंड 3 इरेशनल नंबर. इरेशनल नंबर हम दोनों निकाल लेते हैं, इरेशनल नंबर भी एंड रेशनल नंबर भी. थोड़ा समझ सकते हैं. फाइंड 3 इरेशनल नंबर एंड रेशनल नंबर. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको डेसिमल एक्सप्रेशन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. इट इज 5 एंड इट इज 9. सो 5 when it is divided by 7.7 49. After this it is 1.1. It is 30. Now we can let it. It is 0.714. It is, if we will be converting decimal, approx 0.714. And if 9 is divided by 11, 9 is divided by 11, it is 90.88. It is 221. 90 and it's repeating. Clear? It's repeating 0.8181. It means it is 0.8181. Find 3 irrational number and rational number. We both have to find. So already I told you irrational number. What is irrational number? A number which is non-terminating and not repeating is called irrational number. Already I told you in my previous video. If you don't know, then you see again. So we can write it after 714 and less 8181. Okay, we have to find 3 irrational and rational number. So 3 irrational number are, first number we can write after 714, we can write here 715.715. Clear? Try to understand. 0.715 716 717 and so on. It's a non-terminating, not repeating. Second example, second irrational number 0.717 7117 and so on. Third irrational number 0.72722 and so on. It is irrational number. It is 3 irrational number. There are many numbers between this decimal. Clear? You can find. Now if it's asking that find 3 rational number, 3 rational number, 3 rational number between them, it means 5 by 7 and 9 by 7 are. First rational number is 714 715.715 715. It's repeating, so we can write 8.715 and so on. It is repeating. First rational number. Second rational number 717.717 717. It's also repeating. 717 3 digit, 717 3 digit and so on. It is 0.717. After 3 digit we can write bar because 3 digit is repeating. Third number we can write 0.7272 and so on. We can write here 0.72 bar. It is rational number. It is non-terminating but repeating. So we can see here between them there are 3 irrational number which is non-terminating, not recursion, and 3 rational number which is non-terminating but repeating, because here 3 digit is repeating, here 3 digit is repeating, here 2 digit is repeating, and the digit which we have taken here, it is between both digit. Clear? Always remember. So you have to do this exercise. Next day I will start exercise 1.4. After that we have to study about the science or other subject. Okay beta, thank you.